Good morning, guys. From the next day, we just finished our breakfast. We have a very nice place to stop. Maybe it's not so quiet because it's very close to highway, but it's very nice. Very a lot of place, and it's next for the General Patton Museum. Now we have less car, so I can show you this place. Here is General Patton Museum, and over this building, if you go there, there is campsite. We don't have time for the seaside today because we have a lot of miles to do this, but like you see, we have a few tanks there. This is museum, so if you wake up at good hours, this should be open and you can visit this place. Now I back to our car, like you see, our small baby waiting. We finish cleaning and we go to our next destination. And here we have Patty, who finished cleaning after our breakfast.
Yeah, hello.
We stopped next to the lake. This was like very close our place where we going now, and like you see behind me, we have beautiful lake. There is Patty making photos and movie, and all around. There if you look, there is toys. Restaurants. There is a place to parking, $7 for the camping spot. They wrote you need exit from here at the midnight, and if you don't want to pay, there is you see car over there is parking where we left our camper, so you can camper the you can put there your camper and walk here. Water not look so super clear, but views are amazing. To get stop here, eat something, drink something. There is chairs, some you can sit here, or it's a camping place for, to make break when you're driving. And nobody here, only mountains around, big lake. So very beautiful place. From here we're going for the painting mountain, so it will be very nice. Camping spot, tables, chairs, restroom, more space, and the roads, but we can came here. How you like it? Hello, how you like it? Surprise, surprise! campsite $10, parking $7, and you pay here. You have here permit, and that's all. So if you don't want to pay like us, you can put your car here, park here, and go for the walk this road for this campsite like you see, or you can spend here night. It's a very good place to spend nights. Maybe you don't have here restroom, but restroom is on campsite, so we can go to campsite, and you wake up with beautiful view. Looks where we are, Slab City and Painted Mountains. Good is love. We go to seaside this city. Salvation Mountain open. So many cans for the paint. Amazing.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit notification, and we will see you in the next one.